Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we got kind of a different video. We're just going to be painting some lure blanks. So this is just a little juvenile rainbow trout pattern that I came up with. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. This one's just like a little X-wrap blank. And then we got some different style blanks that we're going to be painting on today, but we're going to try to replicate this paint pattern for you. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so first color we're going to start with is just some white. We're just going to go over the whole thing lightly with white just to get a nice base down so that the other colors will show up a little bit better. Once we're done with our base coat of white, I leave a little bit of white in the paint gun, and then I mix in some yellow. That's just going to give some kind of yellow undertones on the sides of the bait. Alright, our next color that we're going to use is some olive green, and we're just going to hit the back and the shoulders with that. Alright, next we're just going to use some plain red for the lateral line. We're just going to go nice and faint. We'll leave a little bit, put some red on the gill plates too. Alright, next I'm just going to use some ordinary black paint. We're just going to go down the middle of the back, darken it up a little bit. Alright, so next we're going to add the par markings that juvenile trout have. So I like to mix some ultramarine blue with the black that we just used. And then I'm going to lay over a little homemade stencil. So it's just a piece of notebook paper with some holes cut in it, and then we just hold it down and give it a nice spray over. And it should leave some nice par markings for us. So there you go. Got your par markings on one side, and then we're going to do the other side, same thing. So that's what we are working with now. Looking pretty good. Got our par marks on both sides. We got about 4 more that are just hanging and drying. So our next paint color shifter paint. This is the electric blue with intense violet, so it's like a blue purple color changing paint. And I'm just going to go down the back where we put the black with this, just to give it that natural shimmer that trout tend to have. There we go. You can probably see that bluish purple tint now. And it's almost done. Last thing we're gonna do is gonna take a paint marker and we'll add the little spots. And then these guys will be ready for clear. All right, so down to the final step before we add the eyes and clear coat. We're just gonna use a little Posca paint pen. We're going to go ahead and add all the little spots. There we go. So we'll do the same thing on the other side, but that's pretty much done. And once the paint dries and finishes off gassing, we'll be ready for clear coat tomorrow. All right, just finished up. You can see I've kind of done a variety of looks. So we have some that have more spots, some that have less spots. We got this one that's got no spots, just so that we have a variation of lures that we can try out. All right, we are just about finished up. We've got couple with the eyes already in them, and we've got two more we're just going to throw the eyes on and they will be ready for clear. There we go. Alright, final step. We're just going to hit this guy with some UV resin just off Amazon. Get the turner going. All right, we just finished clearing this first one. Got a nice even clear coat on it. All right, got all 5 of them clear coated with UV resin. They are looking pretty good. I think come springtime we will be hammering some big trout on these things.